Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up with Cam Newton, the former NFL MVP quarterback, known for his flashy style and dominant play. He's been out of the league for a while, but he's still very much in the public eye. So where is Cam Newton now? Let's break it all down. Cam Newton was born in 1989 Atlanta, Georgia. After a standout college career at Auburn where he won the Heisman Trophy and led the Tigers to a national championship, he was drafted first overall by the Carolina Panthers in 2011. He quickly became one of the most dynamic quarterbacks in the NFL, a powerful runner, a strong passer, and a charismatic figure both on and off the field. In 2015, he was named NFL MVP after a record-setting season. After his last playing days with the Panthers in 2021, Newton shifted gears. He's spoken candidly about the challenges of moving on from professional sports, from identity changes to financial adjustments. He's been active in media, content creation, and business ventures. He also has a large family with multiple children and continues to highlight fatherhood as a major part of his identity. Where is Cam Newton now? As of now, Cam Newton is no longer an active NFL player. His playing days appear to be behind him, as he himself acknowledges. He's currently working as a sports analyst and commentator with ESPN, especially appearing on their show First Take. In addition, he's involved in digital content, podcasts, media appearances, and branding work. He's based in the U.S., staying connected to football while pivoting toward this next chapter. Cam Newton's transition from elite quarterback to media personality and entrepreneur is one many athletes face. While he's no longer directing plays on the field, his influence hasn't faded. He's found new ways to stay relevant and impactful. Whether he'll return to football in some form or continue to build in media and business remains to be seen. For now, he's in a new arena and still making moves.